shoulders. I feel a burn inside of my chest. See the lines as they blur out. I can feel it knocking me out. You're bringing me higher and higher.
I want to show you
I'm falling way down, all delusional. Cause you got me feeling like I'm lucid dreaming, got me flying high. Cause I can't believe that I get to have you close. On an endless road I'm levitating now, in one of those lucid dreams. You gotta tell me what you did. I saw the world turning in my mind. Oh, yesterday you pulled the rug under my feet. Said I'm trying to wake me up. What if I'm making it all up? You're bringing me higher and higher in every way. And all of my doubts, I can feel them, they're fading away. Oh, you're like a fantasy. I know this can't be real. I'm falling way down, all delusional. Cause you got me feeling like I'm lucid dreaming, got me flying high. Cause I can't believe that I get to have you close. On an endless road I'm levitating now, in one of those lucid dreams. Cause you got me feeling like I'm lucid dreaming, got me flying high. Cause I can't believe that I get to have you close. On an endless road I'm levitating now, in one of those lucid dreams. I think I have too much roses, and I've been feeling kinda hopeless. I know I'm not supposed to feel this way. I know it's been a while since I held you in my arms. And I wasn't ready yet to learn how to live without you. How could I let you go when I am still in love with I'm still in love with you. I'm still in love with you. 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 I've been trying to change my mindset, but I'll admit I'm not that good at it. Not one day goes by without me thinking about you, 'cause it's been so long since I held you in my arms. And your letter. Guess this is better. You win sometimes, lose sometimes. No need to apologize. It was the distance we had between us. You broke us down in disguise. No need to apologize. Ooh, 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 ooh. But I can't help that I miss you now, and I need to reminisce this 'cause ooh, 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 ooh. We're still at our moments and they keep coming back to me. I can't help that I miss you now. I can't help that I miss you now. Can't say I like it, but I can fight it. Some things are not meant to be, even if it's hard to see. I'll try to let go. It's not easy, you know. Some things are not meant to be. Let's skip the apologies. Ooh, 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 ooh. But I can't help that I miss you now, and I need to reminisce this 'cause ooh, 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 ooh.
I hope you liked my walk here at the Old Port. I truly enjoyed it. Such a nice atmosphere, so calm, little bit windy, but wonderful, no clouds. I wish you a wonderful day, and if you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel, comment and like. Please ring also the bell for notifications. Many greetings from this beautiful island.